I'm driving over the Willamette Pass to see my daughters for Thanksgiving.
Paul has a little over a 3-hour drive ahead of him for the holiday. Is he prepared for an emergency?
Always take a little bit of something, some warm clothes, maybe a little water or something, just in case.
Being ready for an emergency, always a good thing, especially with so many people hitting the road this year.
AAA projects that about 55 million Americans, including 777,000 Oregonians, will be heading over the river and through the woods for Thanksgiving.
Knowing that, we talked to Bend Police and asked how people can travel safe for Thanksgiving. First, make sure your car is ready.
Have all of your fluids topped up. Make sure your tire pressure is correct. Make sure you have a full tank of gas.
In the car, make sure to keep extra water, food, blankets, warm clothes, an ice scraper, and emergency equipment like flares and jumper cables. Miller with Bend PD also says,
carry chains or have traction tires, and if you're carrying chains, make sure that you know how to put them on, just in case you need them.
It is also recommended to let someone know where you're going in case you get stuck or lost.
If you get to a road and it says it's closed or there's a gate, turn back. GPS isn't always correct.
Paul says he's ready to hit the road and see his family.
I've got good tires, and I've checked the weather report, and if nothing changes, should be a nice drive.
This Thanksgiving will be the third busiest in travel since 2000, according to AAA. Morgan Gwynn, Central Oregon Daily News.